Hey internet, lately I've been doing only food videos, and I plan to just take my channel only doing food videos, but I couldn't help but shoot this for computers. I haven't actually seen anyone make a video like this, but it's basically a life hack. This life hack is like an infinite compressed air spray. You know how when you clean your computer it's all like dusty and stuff? You have to buy like a compressed air or even a vacuum, but I found something that's only $5 on Amazon that actually gives you basically infinite compressed air, and it's this thing right here. I already cleaned this computer quite a bit so you don't see the dust, but I'll just show you an example. See, when you squeeze this thing, it really gets the dust out. So I already did a lot of it, but here's some of the parts I missed. But look, see, you're gonna have to spend like $10 to $15 on compressed air. You can just get one of these things for $5, and you'll basically be able to dust your computer anytime you want, and it won't be costly, and you won't have like the little ice particles or whatever it is in the compressed air that makes it super cold. Just keep doing this. Look at all that dust coming out of my power supply. See? You just keep doing that. And I know I already cleaned the front side, but let's see if I can get some dust out right here. Oh yeah, there's still a little dust right there. Look, it works pretty well. Yeah, so this was actually a lot more dustier earlier, and I wasn't filming it. I only like midway through or at the end of like dusting it, like when I got a crap load of dust out of here, that's when I realized, hey, wait a minute, I could like make a video on this real quick, so to I guess inform the internet of this thing I discovered. And I don't remember ever seeing any tech channels mentioning this little life hack, I guess. So here it is. Oh, I forgot to mention, I forgot what this thing is called, so I'm just gonna put it either on the video or the description, what this is, instead of me saying it, because at the time of filming I literally forgot what these are called. This isn't going to be a normal thing. This is just the rare computer video I'm going to show. Like all my future videos are going to be like food stuff. And I want to have like a good amount of food videos on the queue before I start posting regularly. So I probably won't start posting much until like April, because I want to have like 30 videos done before I start actually releasing them to the public. Thanks for watching. Give it a like if you found this useful. Bye. Thanks for watching. Yeah, all that stuff.